Look what we got. Woo! Look at it. So, I know someone's gonna get very angry because this is already opened, but well, as you can see, there's a piece right here. We'll ignore that for the minute. Just out of sight, out of mind. But it is my new exhaust pipe and all the like stuff that comes with it, like the rubber that goes around it. And ignore that. That's my receipt. And then all the pieces and parts and bolts and the spring. I think it's just one bolt, right? One bolt. And here it is without the sticker on it. It is the SE Project oval exhaust from my 2013 Yamaha FZ8. Look at it, it's so pretty. It's carbon and it's so good. And that baffle, ooh, how fast that baffle is gonna go. Very fast is the actual answer. So this is coming out immediately. But look at it, it's so nice. It only weighs like 5 pounds. Look, I don't know if you can see that, but look at it right inside of it. I mean, the whole thing, the whole box, like this and all the pieces and everything, was like 6.7 pounds or something like that. So this is going to be a massive improvement slash weight reduction from the stock pipe. And the great thing is, I ordered this last month on the 23rd. And I was like, when's it going to come? When's it going to come? Waited a couple days. I was like, maybe it'll just come home one day and it'll just be there. And I got an email from SE Project saying, or at least the American distributor of it, SE Project in Houston or Dallas. I think it's Houston. And it was like, sorry, your pipe is out of stock, which is not surprising. It's a Italian exhaust for a Japanese motorcycle that is 5 years old and they don't sell in the US anymore. And they didn't sell for a long time. And they're like, well, please give 3 weeks for shipping and handling. And I was like, well, fine. That's, the end of April. I can deal with that. Anyways, I got another email from them 5 days ago. One whole hand of a week ago. And it was like, hey, your exhaust will be there in 5 days. So it came today. And the worst part is, I had to spend all day long at work, because this came at like 10 o'clock. I got the delivery notification at like 10 o'clock. 10:15, 10:30, something like that, saying, your exhaust has been delivered. And I was like, well, that sucks. I'm at work, and now I just have to sit here and think about it. Oh, it's so nice. I can't wait to put this on. So yeah, exhaust. How am I going to do this? The video of the stock sounding exhaust should be up soon, because I tried to upload it last night and it failed and whatever, YouTube problems. So this video is going to go up, and then tomorrow I'm putting this on, taking the other one off and destroying it. Not really, I'm going to keep it. But yeah, this is going to go on tomorrow, and then we'll have how this thing sounds with the baffle, sadly, and also without the baffle, because that's the way it should be. So yeah, exciting! Somebody else should be excited with me here, right? Somebody else be excited! But yeah, so I shall see you all later.